Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arizona Falls.
The Arizona Falls is a waterfall located in Phoenix, Arizona. Originally, it was formed when the man-made Arizona Canal crossed the natural 20-foot drop in the area of present-day 56th Street in the Arcadia neighborhood of Phoenix. The original hydroelectric power station at this location provided the first electricity to Phoenix. This site was run down after generating power for 50 years. It was in the early 2000s that the site was rebuilt both as a public art project and a functional power station. Arizona Falls generates up to 750 kilowatts of clean, renewable electricity that can power up to 150 homes. There are also trails on each side of the canal starting from the falls. One side of the trail is concrete paved and is great for walking, jogging, and bike riding. The new Arizona Falls combines art, history, and technology to generate clean electricity. This 19,840 acres of desert and mountains became the first regional park in the Maricopa County Park System in 1954. Estrella Mountain Regional Park is located about 25 miles southwest of Phoenix. For a desert, it has a large wetlands. Some of the amenities that are available to visitors are baseball fields, fishing from the Goodyear River, picnic area, a golf course, and over 33 miles of trails for hiking, mountain biking, and horseback riding.